Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you would adjust your mirrors, your side mirrors. And so to do that, we got a 2012 Toyota Camry here. And so to adjust your side mirrors, you got to have your key on. You don't need to start it, but it's got to be in the accessories position. And then you've got a switch here. You got your switch here in the door panel, right? And you've got your left and the right, and then you would just, so you click it to the left or right, and then you just hit this button that says the mirror to adjust it down, up, left, and right, and get it to your preference of where you would like it to be. And then when you're done with that one, you can change it to the other one, or you can put it in the middle, and that makes it so that when you hit the button, you don't have any problems. Now, if by hitting it to the right and your mirror doesn't do any adjustments, well then potentially the motor that's in the mirror has gone bad, or we have a bad switch here that needs to be replaced. And there are videos of how to replace the switch if needed. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.